about 6 feet in length, weigh a couple hundred pounds. They eat a lot more than we do because they are constantly swimming. Like if you were out walking and you never stopped walking, you have to eat a lot more than you do now. Because they can't fall asleep. If they fall asleep, they stop moving, they would sink and drown.
Yeah.
But even when they're sleeping,
Noah, what did that squeak? Did you hear it? What is that squeak? See, look, they're squeaking.
a lot of marine mammals have figured out a way to basically rest one hemisphere of their brain while the other side controls their sleeping studies.
No, you
And then
did.
they will alternate sides on the rest of them.
Mom.
Kind of spin back through it one more time.
Bye bye. Mom. Bye, dolphin. We love you.
That's so cool.